What's up, guys? Well, today we have a beauty here. We have a 1979 Chevy Corvette. I'm about to give you a walk around of it and show you guys what the car looks like. Check it out. Go ahead and start her up or check it out, see if we can. Pedal. Wow. Check out those seats. It's a beautiful car. Let's get it here. Very comfortable for a 79. Goes to 140 on the dash at least. Oh, come on. You can't have an aftermarket stereo. Oh, we got the keys. Here we go. Let's check it out. Now in GMs, I think the round key is for the gas tank and then the square keys is to start it. I'm not sure. So we got a round key and a square key. Old school. So let's check it out. Alright. Wow, it starts right up. This is a beauty. Give it a little rev. Nice. This is what it looks like. Get your gas gauge, temperature gauges. I guess this gauge probably lights for nothing. Oil, battery, AC. Does the AC work? AC, it's not working. Oh wait. Wow, this puppy's in pristine condition. Ooh, the gears go in, reverse. I can feel it, mechanical grinding and everything inside. Oh yeah. Let's take this puppy for a ride. Now let's see if the lights pop on. Lights. Ooh. Oh, we gotta look at this. She looks like with the lights on. Wow, 1979 Corvette, classic. I love me one of these, huh? Old school. Listen to that. Let's take a look under the hood, see if we can open it up. Turn these lights off. See your size. Here's my windows. Windows forward. Oh. Let's turn it on. Alright. Let's check it out. Turbo fire, 270 horsepower. Nice. It looks like somebody's done work to the blogs. Painted it blue. But other than that, this is a beauty right here. concludes the walk around of the 1979 Chevy Corvette. Hey, if you ever come across one and you can buy one, you should buy one, because these cars are really nice cars. I'm gonna give you one final walk around before we and getting.
Hey buddy, you got an extra meal ticket?
I don't, bro. I already used it up. I ought to give it to you too. Bro, I want an extra meal ticket. Sorry, buddy. Ain't got no extra meal tickets. A meal ticket is, of course, they give you a ticket and you get a meal here. So sometimes we're generous to give it to the workers. Workers get it and get to eat an extra meal. So, meal ticket. Look at that. Alright. But because I couldn't get a Corvette, we settled for the poor man's Corvette, a Pontiac Trans Am. Pontiac, not a Trans Am, just a fucking Pontiac Firebird. Check it out. It was cheap car, so couldn't pass it up. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Here we go. Alright, here she is. First look, we got it from Westside Chevy. Not bad. 1997 Pontiac. Ugh. It's nasty. Remember that. It's real nasty. But it's a little diamond in the rough, you know. We just got to put a little elbow grease into it. And try to bring it back. Oh, I'm stealing. I'm stealing. Let's see. What's in here? Let's turn this off. Alright, there we go. Unlocked it. Nice stairs up. Not that bad. Move this back so I don't fit in this bitch. So we got a bottle with water. Some nasty trash out here. Got a baby booster seat. Stuff in the back. Gonna pop this open. Show the password. Doesn't see any check engine lights on. Now this is something you're going to want to check out when you go to auction. Make sure the vehicle is off and then turn it on. Make sure that service engine light comes on, because sometimes people take the bulb out and you think it doesn't have a service engine light and you buy it. So let's check it out. Oil pressure is good, battery level is good, gas is good, idle's good, AC works. Shit. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this car is actually not that bad, and it's we can remove the top. I just fucking noticed this shit. I don't know if the whole thing comes off, but if it does, wow, that's legit. This is a nice car. Well, of course, needs some work, like interior work, like right here. It's garbaged out, but a bunch of trash in there. But it's nothing that, you know. Just go to the junkyard, buy these speeds right here so you can get the whole centerpiece. Now let's see what she shipped. Alright. Alright. Cool. Feels strong, solid. Let's check out underneath. This like the other one, you know what I'm saying? But, let's check it out. This right here. Lever. Pick it up. Wow. First review. We got a 3800 V6 engine, 3.8, I believe. It's not bad. Cooling system was changed to 89,269. I'm not gonna open this right now, but down there, and it looks like Somebody's done some work in here. Alright. And looks like there might be some buildup of fluid right there, but they could have changed that out, so other than that, it's a pretty cool car. Let's check out the tranny fluid. Let's check out the tranny fluid while it's running. Where's the rest of it? That's washer fluid. Let's come out brakes. There's fluid in there. Alright, brake fluid, fluid's in there. Power steering. Pressure. That's good. Look at all this black shit. 745 out the door, can't complain. We're looking to try and restore it a little bit, or you know, get it back to decent shape and sell it. That's what we do. So thank you for watching, and we'll be uploading a video soon. I also got another car. I'll give you the walk around on those two. But thank you. Stay tuned for more.